If you're tired of crowded trails but crave a breathtaking adventure, then Pindari Glacier is your next destination. Hidden deep within the Kumaon region of Uttarakhand lies a forgotten gem, Pindari Glacier. Once a jewel of British colonial treks, today it stands as a quiet reminder of nature's raw, untouched beauty. Join me on an unforgettable journey through lush forests, raging rivers and towering waterfalls. Picture this: golden sunlight filtering through dense pine forests, moss-covered trails sparkling with dew, and the thrill of crossing ancient wooden bridges over icy streams. As we ascend, sweeping time-lapses capture the sun rising over jagged peaks, and drone shots reveal the sheer scale of the icy terrain. Imagine the suspense of a difficult river crossing or a narrow ice bridge, and then the climax, reaching 0 point. A grand cinematic reveal of Pindari Glacier in all its glory, with vast expanses of ice and rock stretching into infinity. Standing here at 4,000 meters, with the Himalayas stretching into infinity, I realize this is what adventure truly feels like. Pindari Glacier may not be the most popular trek today, but its beauty remains timeless. If you're seeking adventure, solitude, and a connection with the mountains, this is where you need to be. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible adventures.